Our next topic is making calculations in spreadsheet. So in this topic we are going to learn how to enter a formula in a cell. To do our calculation simply we can able to create a formula by using Excel spreadsheet. And then we are going to see what is the use of AutoSum, and multiplication and division can also be done in our spreadsheet. So how these things are happening in Excel spreadsheet. Okay. So this is our topic, making calculations in spreadsheet. Now we are going to see how to create a formula in spreadsheet. Okay. So we have created a simple table with the roll number, name and subjects. Okay, so we want to find the total and percentage for the score sheet. So to do that, to find the total, we want to add the marks of the subject. And to find the percentage, you want to divide the total with the number of subjects. Okay, so this can be done by using a formula. So spreadsheet can able to perform calculations on the data, and it makes the sheet application a very powerful tool. And the spreadsheet can also perform like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Okay, to do that we want to instruct the sheet by giving some formulas. Okay, so now we are going to create a formula to add the marks of the three subject. Okay, so by using the cell name. So how can you able to find the cell name? So column name plus row number creates the cell name. So each cell is having a specific name for it. Okay children, so now we are going to see how can you able to create a formula by using the cell name. So see, in the spreadsheet I have given the roll number, name, Maths, English and Malayalam, 3 subjects. Okay, so I entered 3 students name and 3 subject mark also in the spreadsheet table. So now I want to find the total. Okay, so simply I am going to create a formula to find the total. So to create a formula, first you are supposed to see the cell name. Okay, and then always the formula should begins with equal to sign. Okay, so you should give equal to sign first. So after that click on the cell which is to be added. So now C4 is my max and CD4 and plus E5. So this is the 3 cell name. Okay, so after entering the formula, so this is the formula with the cell name. So after enter this, press enter key. So you can see the total is appeared automatically. Okay, so this is how we are going to create the formula. Okay, so what is the advantage of formula means, for one cell if you create a formula, you just place a mouse pointer at the end of the active cell. Okay, it is changes to a plus symbol. You can just click and drag to the next symbol, next cells. Okay, so automatically the cell get filled with the total. Okay, so you can see in each cell the formula is applied automatically by the Excel sheet. So next cell is C6, D6, E6. Okay, so each cell is having a specific formula. So the main advantage is, now I am going to change the mark in English as 90. So now you see automatically the total is also changed. So this is the main advantage of using formula in Excel sheet. So whenever if you change the mark, automatically the total gets changed. So one more special feature in the Excel is, it is an autofill feature. Okay, autofill. So just select the roll numbers and click and drag it. So you can see automatically the cell is get filled with the numbers. Okay, so this feature is called autofill series. And our next thing is, now we are going to see the next feature as using AutoSum. So addition can also be done by using this auto sum button. Okay, so click on the auto sum, you can see sum. Sum means addition. Okay, so select the cell which you want to add and then press on the auto sum button. So first you want to select the cells which is to be added and then press on auto sum button. Okay, so automatically the cell get the total. So after that you can just place your mouse pointer and you can click and drag. So automatically the total get filled. So now we are going to see how the multiplication and division takes place in the Excel sheet. So in one cell I entered as 4 into 1 is equal to. Okay, so I told you a formula should always begins with equal to sign. So equal to, press on the number 4. So it is A3 and the multiplication symbol is not like X, it is a star symbol. Okay, and press on the next cell and press enter key. So now the next one, equal to, press on the 4, it is A4 and asterisk, and next is C4. So after entering the formula, press enter key. So now you just select the two cells and you can click and drag it down. So you can see automatically the multiplication is done. Okay, so likewise division. Okay, in each cell I entered a value. So 25 divided 5. So the formula equal to, press on the cell 25, it is B12 and the division symbol is here slash. Okay, and the next cell is D12. So after pressing that cells, you can see the formula appear and after that press the enter key. So the result is displayed there in the cell. So next is 550 divided 6. So B15 slash and the next one is D15. Okay, and press the enter key so that you can able to find the result in the next cell. So this is a way to do addition and multiplication, division in your spreadsheet. You can able to do all the arithmetic calculations by using the spreadsheet software. Clear, children?